So here we have lining up some people randomly to ask about their experience, about Tejas, quick bites. So we are calling this section quick bites. So here is a youngster smiling. What's your name?
Vikram.
Yeah, so Vikram, how was it, your show? Is the first time?
This is my third time. I stay nearby. I come here pretty often. So it's a good experience to see all the big machines, running around, making noises like, oh, we've never heard in entire life.
So what's your take on Tejas?
Tejas, yeah, it's equally good. It's a brilliant competition for the other country.
What's your name?
My name is Mahesh Bongale.
Okay. And
So
what do you do here?
I'm a software engineer working in Bangalore,
Okay.
and this is the first time experience for me. And it's been about more than 10 years I've been waiting for this opportunity, and I'm really privileged. The credit goes to my family here, and
Oh.
the most important credit goes to my Jiju,
Okay.
who is from Indian Navy. Proud of India, whatever India is doing. We are very much grateful to it. Thank you so much.
I am Aditya Kopade. I felt very nice to see this all, and
Do you have any plans to become a pilot?
yes.
Okay, yes. And what about you, ma'am?
Yeah, myself Savita Kopade, and I already belongs to my defense fund. My husband working in Coast Guard.
Okay.
So this is my first experience that I have be a part of this Aero India 2021. So I'm really feeling proud of this my country.
My name is Yash Kopade. It was a great experience to be out here. I saw many aircrafts. I felt very great to be and I'm very honored to be a son of a defense person.
Okay, and you have the Tejas flying there.
What? Yeah. After seeing this, I'm really I cannot say my feelings in words.
Right.
I want to join the armed forces.
That's
Yeah.
what, are you going to join Air Force?
Yeah.
All right, very good. How was the air show?
It was so nice. First time I was seeing air show.
Okay.
It is so good, and we saw pilot aeroplane.
Oh, you saw pilot and airplane both.
Yes.
Very nice.
I saw helicopter.
You saw helicopter. My
Yes.
God. And then
Helicopter pilot.
pilots. Okay. Those pilots are very brave, isn't it?
Yes.
Okay. You want to become a pilot one day?
Yes.
You will become. You don't have any problem in flying.
No, I can fly.
You can fly. You can also fly.
Yes.
If they now call you, will you go and fly?
Yes.
You're ready to fly now.
Yes.
Oh my God, you're so brave. Even you can fly. Brilliant. So, how was it, the experience?
Yeah, the fighters were going on and the things were going, so it was good.
Arnav, most of you are Insta or FB popular, very passionate photographer, especially aviation. So, Arnav, how was this year's show?
This year's show, I would say, is amazing. It is something unreal. I mean, you would never imagine India having the first air show during a pandemic. Blessed to be here.
So, which is that one aircraft that fascinated you this time?
Probably the B1 because, it is the B1. Legendary. It's the first time in India.
क्या नाम है बेटा?
Kavish.
हाँ?
Kavish.
हाँ विश्व, कौन से क्लास में पढ़ रहे हैं?
Second.
कैसे लग रहा है एयर शो?
अच्छा है.
आप कैसे लगा प्लेन्स पूरा देखे?
अच्छा लगा
अच्छा
था.
लगा. कौन सा प्लेन आपको एकदम पसंद आ गया?
फाइटर जेट.
फाइटर जेट पसंद आ गया. पायलट्स को भी देखा है क्या?
देख.
देखा है? आप जब बड़ा हुआ तो पायलट बन गए क्या? हाँ? नहीं. क्या बनते थे?
क्रिकेट.
हाँ?
क्रिकेट.
अच्छा क्रिकेट है. ओ किसी क्रिकेट है. तो कौन सा क्रिकेटर आपका फेवरेट क्रिकेटर कौन है?
कोहली.
हाँ?
कोहली.
ये क्या है? अच्छा रॉकेट है. ये रॉकेट क्या होता है? बॉम्ब होता है क्या? क्या क्या ऊपर जाता है? अच्छा ये कहाँ से लिए अपना रॉकेट? उधर से लिए क्या? ओहो. अभी इसको क्या करने वाले हैं अभी? हाँ.
My name is Anand Bhushan Pandey.
ओके आनंद भूषण. तो कैसे लगा एयर शो?
अच्छा लगा.
अच्छा लगा. कौन सा प्लेन अच्छा लगा?
Su-30.
Su-30. ऑल राइट सो क्या अभी ये फर्स्ट एयर शो है
No.
नो उससे पहले भी आए
हाँ.
ओके सो सूर्य के बाद कौन सा एयरक्राफ्ट पसंद आया
सूर्य किरण.
सूर्य किरण ऑल राइट
I'm an electronics engineer.
ओके
So yeah, I come here every time. Every time the show goes on, I come here and I tried never to miss it. The Surya Kirans and the Sarang display is just amazing.
So it's actually a proud moment for us because Indians watching a show in India is actually a very proud moment for us.
Okay, is it a first air show?
No, it's not a first air show, but it is different from all.
So
It's
what's your
different.
name?
My name is Rekha. I'm a student. I'm studying my BCom final year.
Alright, so what is that one aircraft which really inspired you?
I'm
Remember the name?
no, I'm always a fan of Tejas.
Alright, okay, Tejas, like here comes, if you're a fan of Tejas, you will get a gift.
Oh, thank you.
But we give it to non-Tejas fans as well, okay? So don't worry.
Myself Aarti. I'm also studying my final year BCom. And the air show in India, especially seeing in this India, you know, when we see always flying aircraft in the sky, we always want to see from the like nearby. So right now, when we are seeing it, feels so proud that this is India. Yeah, this is called India. We have a more power to show to the whole world.
My name is Hemangi. I'm also final year BCom student. I'm feeling proud, going to good jobs, and that's it I want to say.
So which is one aircraft you really like?
I like all the.
All the aircraft?
Yes.
Alright, thank you. Alright, so we have two sharpshooters, passionate photographers, aviation photographers or any
Aviation photographer.
aviation? Okay, AV geeks, right?
Yes, that's the word.
Alright, okay, so what's your name?
I'm Atam Veer. I came from Chandigarh.
For this show?
Absolutely.
Brilliant from Chandigarh. Okay, that's great. So welcome to Bangalore.
Thank you. I feel nice.
So how was Bangalore?
Bangalore's been awesome.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Okay, quickly, how was the air show?
Like always, it has been pretty good. Just a little different this time around. Not as much traffic as the previous editions, but nonetheless, I think the B1 that came in and the Rafales they added to the show, and the Tejas as well. Yes. So yeah, it was a nice show overall. I enjoyed it. Yeah, it was nice. Yeah.
What about you?
I am Dhruvashish Shangala. I have come from Vadodara, Gujarat. I've flown in for this event, and this is my first Aero India. It has been a very enriching experience, I would call it. Meeting new people, making new friends, even seeing many aircrafts for the first time. Yeah, it has been a great experience.
Nice meeting you guys. Yeah. We have a battalion of future aviators and from which college?
Academy of Aviation and Engineering.
Okay, Academy of Aviation and?
Engineering.
All right. Is it your first air show?
No, this is my second time I'm coming
So
here.
how was it?
I really enjoyed seeing all the defense aircrafts and everything. It was a wonderful experience actually, seeing all the aerobatics of aircrafts and everything. So overall, it was very nice.
Yeah, it's so nice experience. This is my second show.
Which plane did you like a lot?
Rafale.
I also Rafale, nice experience, and this is my second air show.
Okay. And you?
This is my second air show. Rafale is good.
Rafale is good. And you?
Yeah, it was quite exploring, and it's let us know that about good one. And Mirage I like the most.
Mirage. And you?
Rafale.
Rafale. Okay. So we have a mix of Rafale fans, Mirage fans here, aviation students. Yeah. Thank you so much. Yeah. So I'll give you all this badge, Jackie. Yeah.
Thank you.
This is a Tejas badge. Okay. Yeah. And we have Ranveer. So Ranveer, first air show or you're coming here?
No, I've been coming here. Like I think this is like my fourth air show.
Fourth air show, okay.
It's enlightening to see all our Indian aircrafts and bigger aircrafts that we have purchased from other countries like the Rafale and Sukhois and all those big guns. So yeah, it's a nice Tejas also. Yeah, it's a small aircraft compared to the other ones, but it's pretty good. Yeah.
What do you like? Which plane?
I like the Rafale.
And after that?
Yeah, that's all.
No helicopters?
Yeah, I like the last one there.
The last one, which one?
The
guy which is here. The Chinook.
Yeah, that one.
That one. All right. Okay. So are you going to become a pilot, or a scientist, or a teacher? What's it going to be?
I don't know.
You don't know. All right. Okay. Keep this.
Thank you.
Thank you.
My name is Aradhya.
Aradhya. All right. So how was the air show? Did you like all the planes?
Yeah, I enjoy.
Enjoyed. And what about you?
I also like.
Okay. So when you grow up, do you want to become a pilot?
Yeah,
What about you?
yeah,
Both pilots.
yeah.
All right. So we have two future pilots here. Just show your badge to the camera. Yeah, here they are. Thank you so much. Yeah.